Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce our product, the DYB1 electric hydraulic pallet truck with a rated capacity of 2 tons. It lifts bulk up to 115 millimeters. It's powered by a 48 volt, 20 ampere battery that provides up to 6 hours of continual operation, with the ideal tool of loading, unloading, and moving pallets in the workhouses, workshop, and supermarkets.
Turn on the switch. Reverse. Advance. Rise. Decline. Now let's demonstrate lifting heavy objects. Lift heavy objects and retreat. Lift heavy objects forward. Lower and place heavy objects. Work completed. Turn off the switch.